She's a runner. She's a track star. I told y'all, they be running. Oh man. I told y'all. I told y'all I go wild out here. Y'all thought I was playing.
Shark book is check box. Looking for a lady, but she gotta be a boss. Gotta be a boss. Looking for a lady, but she gotta be a boss lady. Hands in the air, if you a boss lady. Got your nails done, hair looking amazing. Hustle on the beat, that's going crazy. Where the boss lady? She's a boss.
All right, y'all. So I got this really fun idea. There's this song right now called Track Star. You probably heard it. She a runner, she a track star. It basically talks about being in a relationship and the girl not really being able to deal with certain things, so she runs away to get out of the situation. So I'm gonna talk to some people about the situation. I'm gonna ask people, hey, you think you would a runner? And I'm gonna start calling people runners, and let's see what happens. Miami. Ooh. I'm gonna talk to these people. These people look like lit.
I've been on YouTube all day.
Y'all heard this song, Runner. She's a runner, she a track star.
Oh, what's the question?
Do you feel like that's a big issue? Like a lot of people, they can't deal
run away if
it gets hard. Like they can't deal with it. Like, do you feel like in our community, in the black community, is that a big problem? Do we not know how to deal with it based on our parents not being together, broken homes? Am I getting too real? Tell me if I am.
To be honest, it depends on who you with and where you was raised from, because I know females that's what you talking, they gonna get, you know what I'm saying, get right to it, you feel me? Then I know females that
but they ain't gonna run away from when it gets hard.
Nah, no, for real. Cause like, you gotta think, how many moms is there? So I mean, they're not running away from
But they do say these, like, people would rather be a mom than in a relationship.
Yeah.
Be a mom than a wife. Do you think that's something in our community? Being a runner? Huh?
Everything's straight though. It depends on the person. You gonna run if you weak. If you strong, you gonna stay.
All right. What's your Instagram if they want to follow you?
Oh, Reek. R-E-I-K. Tag.
Hey, and it's Big Tay Dunn.
Don't play Big Tay.
D-U-N-Z. Tay Dunn.
That's what's up. She's a runner. Oh, she got that walk too. Okay. How you guys runners? What's going on, fam? A lot of runners in Miami, man. What's happening, family? Got a lot of runners. Beautiful. Hey. Say it again. Say it again for the camera. You can say it. Hey, ladies, let me ask y'all a quick question. Y'all heard that song by Mooski, Runner? She a runner, she a track star. Y'all know that song. Okay. What do you think of that song? Do you think in our community we got a lot of people who don't know how to deal with relationships, deal with problems, so we run away? Maybe because we didn't have our parents to see it. Am I getting too real?
I feel like our parents didn't really explain or really like genuine relationship.
And excuse me if I'm sweating on y'all. I'm working.
Okay, so specifically.
Can we do it in the light? Y'all want to go over there?
We drunk right now. Okay, so I'm gonna say this specifically, like people that grew up in single households.
Yeah.
They weren't explained like how relationships supposed to like really be. So
Yeah.
they were like, oh, you need to be independent. You need to do for yourself.
Okay.
And, you know what I'm saying? But like people with parents, like both of their parents, it's kind of like, oh, you seen the love, you seen what it was, so you try to strive for that. I grew up with two parents, so I saw the love, but I didn't.
So are you a runner?
Are you a runner?
Yeah, you're a track star. Are you gonna run away when it gets hard?
I've been in a lot of toxic situations, so when I get something good, it's
Why do they always say toxic? Come on.
It's toxic. We're not used to how real relationships be. Toxic is not good for you, but you know it's not good for you. But you still be going for it.
But you love it.
But you love it.
Is it the D? Is it the D? Is it the D? She said no. You don't think it's the D? I gotta get up. Out. Get on this side. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. So is it the D or no?
It's not the D. It's what you think is love. What you think is love.
But what you know about love?
Exactly. We don't know. We young. We really don't know.
All right. So what are you looking for then? What are you looking for? Huh? Yeah, talk to me. Talk to me.
Like, it's people that's genuinely there for you and listening and care.
Bruh, are you genuinely gonna be there for these girls? Are you gonna love them? Are you gonna care?
I'm gonna love these.
Oh man.
I love these. I love him.
So listen. So tell him.
I love these.
Damn.
And I buy anything they want.
Oh my
I
God.
love them.
So listen. So ladies, back to the runner situation. Do you feel that we got the proper training? Do you feel like we grew up in a household? I'm talking about as a community, as a black community. I know a lot of our communities are broken down, single moms, single dads as well. They never talk about the single dads. But do you feel like we have a lot of runners because we don't know how to react?
I believe we do have a lot of runners. It's because a lot of people aren't necessarily taught the true meanings of loving at an early age. So it's like everyone's trying to figure out what's the right way to love. And I feel like not a lot of people have been brought up on, like they said, a two-parent household or one-parent household, because a lot of people are either brought up with parents who are willing to sacrifice, or brought up with parents who are not willing to sacrifice, meaning they left them. They were a single-parent household, so like they only were accustomed to bare necessities or like basic things.
Let me ask you, do you know how you want to be loved? Do we know how we want to be loved? We always say, oh, they don't know how to love me. How do you want to be loved? What would be the best way to love you?
Truly, I believe that I want to be loved how I love. I believe that I love very open-heartedly. I'm the type of person that like I will. If you are working towards trying to fix whatever it is that bothers me, I'm going to work towards whatever that bothers you. If it's a problem in a relationship, if I want to be with you, I promise you that I'm going to put my best foot forward with making sure that I put my foot forward if you're putting yours forward. Meaning that if we're trying to fix something, I'm working on it 50-50.
So what's your Instagram in case some of my friends, followers want to like your pictures, get to know you? What's your Instagram? Can you spell it out?
Yes, my name is I am Coco Daniels, Koko Daniels, Coco with K. I'm actually an athlete.
Student athlete. I was gonna say, do a little spin. You do look like you work out. You do look like you do your thing, and you do look like you're very athletic, very in shape. You take pride in your body. You take pride in yourself. So I want to congratulate you. You're amazing. All right, awesome. Thank you guys for the interview, man. Can I ask you some questions too? What about you? You don't want to talk? Okay.
I don't want to talk. Thank you,
I feel you. What about you, ladies? You guys want to talk? I have one more question.
About what?
People say people aren't loving them correctly. You guys know how you want to be loved. How would you like to be loved? Like, I think like we don't know how we want to be loved. How would you like to be loved?
There's like different love languages.
Yeah.
And mine personally is words of affirmation.
Okay. So you want to be told you're beautiful. Good morning, sweetheart. You look good today. That red dress look good. Is that what you like?
Yes.
I see you smiling.
Yeah.
I only said 2 things. So you like that? So you want to be words of affirmation?
Yeah, because I mean, people say words is just words.
Yeah.
But I personally like hearing it. But I also look at actions.
Okay.
You know.
So you want him to tell you and to show you?
Yes.
All right. What about you? She turned around. What about you?
How do you like to be loved?
How do you like to be loved? How do you want to be loved?
Like you said, love languages. Mine is quality time, acts of service.
So he got to spend time with you. Tell me about the acts of service.
It's not so much like you gotta do stuff for me, but just like, you know, thinking of me and doing stuff. Like if I need something
Wait,
done,
you don't have to do stuff, but thinking of you and doing stuff. Wait a minute.
Yeah, so like
which one is it?
if I'm busy and you know I got some stuff to do, if you go ahead and take care of that for me, that's what I like.
Oh, chivalry. Yeah. Okay, you like, okay. All right, ladies, God bless y'all. You guys are gorgeous. Have a great day. Bye. She's a runner. She's a track star. I told y'all. They be running. Oh, man. I told y'all. I told y'all I go wild out here. Y'all thought I was playing. Y'all thought we was playing. Hey, yo. Hey, y'all chilling, man.
Keep working that hoe. Keep working that hoe.
My heart is breaking.
She should have walked that front.
Hey guys, that's enough. No mas. No mas. No mas. No mas. She's a runner. She's a track star. Ooh. No mas. No mas.
I need my purse. My purse. I'm holding it. This is our purse.
No mas. No mas, ladies. No mas. No mas. Hey guys, y'all can't be running like that. No mas. She's a runner.
Run that shit part 2. Run that shit back.
No mas. No mas, ladies. No mas. Fellas, how y'all feeling? Is it lit? Is it lit? But is it lit? Let me see. Woo! Oh. Y'all gotta stop running. Y'all gotta stop running. No mas. No mas. No mas. No mas. No mas. No mas. No mas, ladies. No mas. So what happened? What happened?
To me, I said,
Hey, you dropped one of your piece of hair.